Oh, you know what? We should put it right here. Put it right there. Just hold it up.
Okay. Hold it up?
Yeah, hold it. Cover the camera.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up you guys? Here I am on a trip, or true trip, with my best friend since childhood, Courtney Joy Chamberlain. She's living in Baltimore right now, so what we're doing is starting our road trip to Devil's Bathtub. But first we're gonna like go to this town called Sneedville, but just because that's the only thing that was available at the time, so we booked a place to stay. Anyways, my best friend Andrea is also gonna meet us there. She's coming from Auburn, and we're super excited. So stay tuned to see how the road looks on the way there. All right, we're good.
Now it's hot in here.
I know.
Why is it dark?
Oh, I think it's just the setting.
All right.
Alright guys, so we made our first pit stop to Target, and we didn't film that, unfortunately, because we were too busy carrying 24 bottles of water.
You were. I wasn't carrying anything.
But then we went to Chick-fil-A because your girls need to eat. And now we're gonna go to the next town. Hopefully we won't stop for another hour or two. But we got our Chick-fil-A beef fast, so we're excited. Tell us,
Ready
Courtney.
to go home. I have chicken minis. I'm very excited, and I cannot even get my fat face into the screen for some reason.
You should probably just stop turning. Oh my god!
Wow. We were trying to vlog, and that person behind us just got very angry and leaned on the horn because we were sitting at a green light. So on that,
looking, that was so weird. Yeah. On that note,
peace out. Peace out.
All right.
So
We made it to the Dutch pantry. Yep. Okay, we're gonna go check it out. We're in the middle of God knows where. A little retreat. All right. Stay tuned, y'all.
Wow. Giant pasta show.
Show us where.
Do you have pasta already?
Yes, I did. Wow, this is what it looks like inside a Dutch marketplace. Some local jam over here.
Is it though?
Is it? They don't make it here? Das jam. This is the Dutch pantry, guys.
Oh, that makes sense.
Does it?
Okay.
We're matching. There's a car coming. What's up, you guys? We have only 2 hours left.
Sorry.
On our road trip. Andrea's probably gonna beat us there, but it's okay. But it's just really funny because it seems we've low-key matched this morning, and it was super unintentional.
Yep. Throw it back.
Throwing it back, yeah! Alright, I'm just kidding. Alright, bye guys.
Oh! Sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't
break my $1,000 lens.
It was very gentle. Okay.
Don't film me.
I'm sorry. Let's meet up.
Let's meet up, yo!
I can't get him.
It's one of those.
Dang it, it's not zooming in. Well.
I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Here we finally met up with Andrea. She came from Auburn, like I mentioned earlier, and we just have this nice little cabin that overlooks cute cemetery. Here, let's focus in. That's our view, and we love it. Woo! Go through here. Courtney, you decent?
Not my pimple, it's fine.
Are you okay, Andrea?
I have pimples too.
Okay.